Is it time to buy or sell Uber stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Uber. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 5th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 5th of February, 2025, our system has ranked Uber as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.53. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the coming days. The stock is currently positioned in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential decline within this trend. The 3-month trend points to a possible decrease of approximately 8% over the upcoming 3 months, with a range of potential returns between -19% and -0.5%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it predicts a decline of about 7% over the next year, with a potential return ranging from -20% to +21%. This forecast translates to a price range of between $51.18 and $78.20 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Uber includes the headline, "Is Uber stock still a buy after falling 7.56% on Wednesday?" The Uber stock price decreased by 7.56% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 5th of February, 2025, from $69.75 to $64.48. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 5.12%, reaching a low of $63.50 and a high of $66.75. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days, but it remains down by 4.92% for this period. Volume surged on the last day by 44 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 75 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $4.820 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $87, while the lowest price was $54.84. Currently, the price is 25.89%, or $22.52, below the 52-week high of $87, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Uber Technologies is currently navigating some challenges following its earnings report for the fourth quarter. While the report indicated growth compared to last year, it also triggered a significant sell-off in the stock. Many analysts consider this decline to be exaggerated, pointing to temporary external factors as the cause of the slowdown in booking growth, rather than indicating a fundamental decline in the business itself. There is a shift towards optimism as the stock is trading close to historical support levels and bullish positions are emerging in the options market. Notably, Bill Baruch is capitalizing on this dip, viewing it as a buying opportunity, despite existing concerns around the future of autonomous vehicles, a key focus for Uber. CEO Dara Khosrowshahi has recognized that mainstream acceptance of self-driving taxis may take considerable time due to challenges such as safety and parking logistics. Nevertheless, Uber's strategy of expanding into less densely populated areas and advancing its robotaxi service appears promising, with the potential to maintain its historical growth in bookings at a rate in the double digits. Moreover, the company has experienced robust growth in membership and demand across its platforms as it approaches the year 2025, further strengthening its market position. In the short term, an improved sentiment and favorable ratings from analysts, including a sustained buy recommendation from Goldman Sachs with a price target of $96, may provide support for the stock. In the long run, Uber's commitment to expanding its service offerings and navigating the complexities surrounding autonomous vehicles may yield positive results, even in the face of regulatory uncertainties. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 15th of January, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned Uber a buy grade along with a hold action. On Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, Wolf Research reported giving Uber an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 2nd of January 2025, JMP Securities issued a market perform grade for Uber, accompanied by a downgrade action. On Thursday, the 5th of December 2024, BTIG reported a buy grade for Uber, along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 19th of November 2024, Jefferies granted Uber a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Uber stock. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be neutral, while the price-to-book ratio is rated as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Uber. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. Uber stock is showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook for the stock. If there are upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of $67.11 and $64.75. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, the 4th of February, 2025, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 7.56%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 17 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 45 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 47 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Uber. Uber establishes support from accumulated volume at $61.42, indicating a potential buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support level is tested. Typically, this stock is traded at a healthy volume, and given the minor daily fluctuations, the risk is assessed to be low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $3.25, which is a 5.12% change between its highest and lowest points. Over the last week, the average daily volatility for the stock has been 4.55%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Uber, let's briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, let's consider the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This ratio falls within a relatively normal range, often associated with companies that have established track records or stable revenue streams. Additionally, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 5th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 50 cents. It's crucial to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Uber. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Uber is at $65.25. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be advisable to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Uber faces its first support level at $61.42. If this support level holds, it might serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Uber from multiple analyst sources is buy. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On January 16, 2025, West Tony conducted an insider sale of 636 shares of common stock. On January 16, 2025, West Tony conducted an insider sale of 1,245 shares of common stock. On January 16, 2025, West Tony conducted an insider sale of 1,453 shares of common stock. On January 16, 2025, West Tony conducted an insider sale of 517 shares of common stock. On January 16, 2025, Tianjin A conducted an insider purchase of 358 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 19.241. Overall, insiders purchased 56,459 shares and sold 78,535 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss established. Is Uber stock a good buy? Uber presents several concerning signals and is currently situated within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate it will continue to perform poorly over the next few days or weeks, leading us to maintain a negative outlook on this stock. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation from a buy to a sell recommendation since our last assessment. After reviewing the volatility and price movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 6th of February, we expect Uber to open at approximately 430 cents and begin trading at $64.91. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment choices solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.